It's hello again from Mr.E. In this video we'll be exploring AQA Language Paper 2 Question 1, and we'll also be thinking about the first 10 to 15 minutes that you spend reading and preparing the paper. It's really important that you use your time well before you begin writing, and even before you begin reading. The first thing you need to do is to scan the whole paper, establish the forms that the two texts are written in, and also establish the link between the two texts. After this, consider the 4 questions. Read them through and underline the key terms, and also box off the areas of text that specific questions referred to. Finally, read and annotate the text. You should also bear in mind the questions as you annotate. Don't be afraid to spend as much as 15 minutes preparing the paper before you start writing. Let's move on to question 1 then. Question 1 usually gets you to read a section of the text, usually about 10 lines, of source A. You pick out 4 statements from 8 that you think are true. We're going to look at 10 lines from an example text. Pause the video and read through this text. This then is how the question might look. You can see that there are 8 statements altogether. 4 of them will be true, 2 of those will be explicit and obvious, and 2 will be less obvious. Draw a box around the lines which the question is based on, like this. As you read through the lines, put a cross through the letters that you can rule out, like this. Also, colour in the circle for statements that you believe to be true, like this. So why not pause the video at this point and have a go at answering the question. So let's take a look at the answers. Firstly, A is false. B, you can see here, is also false. C refers to this area of the text. It's false again. D refers to this area, and this one is true. E refers to this part and is also true. F refers to this area and is true again. G to this area, true once more, and H to the last sentence, and that's false. So, how did you get on? See you next time for more great English hacks.